Ever wondered what the tallest buildings in the world are? Humanity's ceaseless race to the sky evokes a sense of awe and fascination. These soaring structures are not just architectural marvels, but also symbols of our technological prowess and the relentless pursuit of progress. They embody the very essence of human ingenuity, our ability to defy gravity and touch the sky. They are a testament to our collective imagination and determination. Let's quench your curiosity as we count down the world's tallest buildings. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Ping An Finance Center in Shenzhen, China. Rising to a staggering height of 1,915 feet, the Ping An Finance Center is indeed a marvel of modern architecture. This skyscraper is more than just its height, though. The building is also a testament to the power of high-strength concrete, which was used extensively in its construction to ensure stability and longevity. Next on our list, at number 4, is the Burj Al Bayt Clock Tower in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Towering at 1,971 feet, this building holds a special place not just in the architectural world, but also in the hearts of the millions of Muslims who make the pilgrimage to Mecca each year. Home to the Clock Tower Museum, the Burj Al Bayt Clock Tower is a symbol of Saudi Arabia's commitment to preserving its rich history and cultural heritage. At number 3, we find ourselves back in China, this time in Shanghai. The Shanghai Tower, with its spiraling form, is an astounding 2,073 feet tall. This building is more than just an architectural masterpiece, it's also an embodiment of China's rapid urbanization and economic growth. Its unique form, which spirals upward like a dragon reaching for the skies, symbolizes China's ascent on the world stage. Each of these buildings is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of architectural innovation. They push the boundaries of what's possible, challenging our perceptions of space and form. These are not just buildings, they are symbols of progress, of our relentless pursuit of the skies. Yet, as impressive as these buildings are, they are still not the tallest. Their heights, while monumental, are surpassed by even more jaw-dropping structures. But that's a story for another day. For now, let's marvel at these giants of architecture, these monuments to human ambition. As impressive as these buildings are, they are still not the tallest. Let's move up the list. Our runner-up standing tall at number 2 is none other than the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Towering over the city's skyline, the Burj Khalifa soars to an impressive height of over 828 meters. That's more than half a mile into the sky. This colossal structure is not just a building, it's a symbol of Dubai's ambition and innovation. From its conception, the Burj Khalifa was destined for greatness. Its unique design, inspired by the desert flower Hymenocallis, and its state-of-the-art construction techniques, set the stage for its multiple world records. Among these accolades, the Burj Khalifa boasts the highest outdoor observation deck in the world, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city, the desert, and the sea. But it doesn't stop there. The Burj Khalifa also holds the title for the tallest freestanding structure in the world. That's right, it's not just a skyscraper, it's a freestanding structure, meaning it does not rely on guy wires for stability. This makes its height all the more impressive. But what's more fascinating is the fact that the Burj Khalifa represents more than just architectural and engineering prowess. It symbolizes a city's journey from a small desert settlement to a vibrant, bustling metropolis. A city that dared to dream big and then turned those dreams into reality. But even the Burj Khalifa is not the tallest, so what could possibly top it? And the title for the tallest building in the world goes to the Jeddah Tower in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Yes, you heard it right. The towering Jeddah Tower, also known as Kingdom Tower, is set to claim the crown as the world's tallest structure. This sky-piercing edifice is planned to reach the astounding height of 1 kilometer. That's right, 1 whole kilometer. To give you a sense of scale, that's over 3 times the height of the Eiffel Tower. The construction of Jeddah Tower began in 2013, and it's been a colossal undertaking. It's not just about building high, but also about building strong and safe. The tower is being constructed with high-strength reinforced concrete and is designed to withstand the challenging environmental conditions of Jeddah, including high temperatures, desert dust, and the corrosive effects of the nearby Red Sea. The ambition behind its creation is simply awe-inspiring. Jeddah Tower is envisioned not just as an architectural marvel, but as a symbol of Saudi Arabia's economic and cultural growth. The tower is the centerpiece of the Jeddah Economic City Development Project, aimed at promoting tourism and creating thousands of jobs. What makes Jeddah Tower even more remarkable is that it's expected to surpass the reigning champion, the Burj Khalifa, which stands at a height of 828 meters. The completion of Jeddah Tower will be a significant milestone in architectural history, marking the first time a man-made structure has reached the 1-kilometer mark. The ambition, the engineering, the sheer audacity of it all truly encapsulates the human spirit's relentless pursuit of reaching new heights. Yes, the Jeddah Tower is more than just a building. It's a symbol of progress, a beacon of hope, and a testament to what we can achieve when we dare to dream big. So there you have it, the tallest buildings in the world, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of reaching new heights. Until next time, keep looking up. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. We've embarked on a journey through the heights of human innovation, visiting some of the tallest buildings in the world. From the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, standing proud as the tallest man-made structure, to the Shanghai Tower in China, boasting the world's highest observation deck. We've marveled at the Burj Al Bayt clock tower in Mecca with its massive clock face and admired the sleek modern design of the Ping An Finance Center in Shenzhen. We've also visited the One World Trade Center in New York City, a symbol of resilience and rebirth. We've peeked into the future with the Jeddah Tower in Saudi Arabia, which, once completed, will take the title of the world's tallest building. Each of these architectural marvels tells a story of human ambition, ingenuity, and perseverance. Thank you for joining us on this architectural adventure. See you in the next video.